Can you use ID to set up a second store if you have used it to set up your first? I mean, you can. Would I recommend you to do? No. So let me explain it. If anyone's new here, can you use ID to set up a second store if you use it to set up your first? So the way Etsy works, if you want to set up multiple different stores, is technically you can open up as many stores as you possibly want under one account. So you can set up as many stores as you possibly want under one identification. So like me, Craig, I can own 100 stores. The only thing I have to change, actually change to make a new store, is the email address. So if I have just different email addresses, 100 email addresses, I can open up 100 stores. The problem with this is there is often little issues with stores getting suspended, things like this. Or even if a store gets suspended for you not paying the bill, this can lead to every single one of your stores get suspended because they're all associated by my name, right? So if I have 100 stores, one of them gets accidentally suspended by falsely suspended. Let's say I'm making 100K a month from all these 100 stores, 1K a month each. One of the stores goes down, it's likely that all of them will get suspended or a majority of them will get suspended. So that's the reason why I recommend to use signers. So signers is a very common term, kind of a bit more, when you get a bit more advanced within the e-com world. And that basically means that you're using friends and family members to sign for your store. So it's the store's in their name, really you own it and you're running it and you're doing everything, but the store's just in their name because that gets round Etsy systems, Shopify systems, Facebook systems, whatever. So it doesn't really matter, right? So basically you want to set up stores in each different names, as many different names as humanly possible. Use friends and family with their permission, it's perfectly legal, perfectly fine. But that way, if you have 100 stores in all of 100 friends' names, one of them goes down, they don't all go down because they're not associated. They're all owned by different people in the eyes of Etsy. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.